mga langga, mga Mars, naanasad ko, magsamok-samok sa inyong mga mata. But, our topic today is all about the alphabet. How to sign the alphabet. Importante sad nga makamaot sa alphabet because there are some words nga walay mga sign. 3 finger spell like our name. So, we have to finger spell. Then next is colors. Then the last one is numbers. Are you ready? Okay. Let's start the 26 letters of the alphabet. This is letter A. So, level sa shoulder ang inyong kamot. Then, iatubang sa mga bata. Dili italikod. Dili ana. So, ana siya. Letter A. This is letter A. Letter B. This is letter B. B. Letter C. Oh, look at my hand. This is letter C. C. Letter D. This is letter D. D. Letter E. E. F. F. Letter F. G. This is letter G. G. Letter H. H. I. Letter I. J. Letter J. J. Letter K. K. L. Letter L. L. M. Tulo ka buok tudlo ni tabon sa ato ang thumb. M. Letter M. N. Duha na lang. N. Letter N. O. This is letter O. O. P. Baliktad ng letter K. P. Letter P. So, letter P. P. Q. This is letter Q. Q. R. Letter R. S. Letter S. S. Okay, this is letter T. Before, letter T is like this, but medyo bastos on aon. So, we use this one, letter T. So, letter T. U. This is letter U. U. V. Letter V. W. This one. W. X. Letter X. Y. Letter Y. This is letter Z. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have to practice it. Every time you have some vacant time, you have to practice, especially the beginners, our mga palangga namong mga hard of hearing. Importante kaayo ni sa mga beginners nga mga bata. Okay, next is the different colors. Okay, this one is red. So, red kay red ang atong lips. Mana siya? Red my lips, Johnny. Red. And this one is yellow. Ang beginning letters sa word nga yellow, mana siya? Yellow. Then, this one is blue. Again, red, yellow, blue. Then, green. Black. This one, black. Ibadlis ang tang, black. Then, brown. Because our color is brown. White. This is white. Pink. Again, red, yellow, blue, green, brown, black, pink, white. Okay, let's have numbers up to 20. Then by tens dayon, ang makabalo na mo unsaon from 30 to 100. Okay, this is number 1. Then 2, 3. Ang atong mangkong 3 anak man, but sa HI kani siya number 6 na siya. So this is 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Or you can have 20. Duha, 2, then 0. So, 20. Again from 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 or 20. Okay. Tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Again, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is sign for 100. This 100. Okay, so 100. Kana lang sa pagkakaroon. Next na pod. I hope you learn something from me. Then, inyo hasad ng practice-practicean sa inyo, ha? Okay? Bye-bye!